Today we're going to talk about how to classify a triangle. You classify triangles by two ways, by using their angles and using their sides. This could be found on page 284 of your textbook if you need to return to it for a reference. So we have four types of triangles by angles. We have the acute triangle, we have an obtuse triangle, there's the right triangle, and the equilateral triangle. Okay, the acute triangle has all angles that are small, okay? The obtuse has one very large angle. The right angle we're aware of because it has a right angle, and the equiangular triangle has all three angles that are congruent. We know that congruent means the same. The right angle we know is marked by the box, and this little arc here, that's showing you that all three angles are equal. If you're going to classify a triangle by its sides, we have a scalene triangle, an isosceles triangle, and an equilateral triangle. The scalene triangle has no equal sides or congruent. The isosceles triangle has two congruent sides. It means that it's going to have sides that are equal to. And here they're going to put these little arcs here to tell you that this side and this side have the same measure. An equilateral triangle, all three will have equal or congruent sides. And again, it's going to be marked by these little tick marks. So you have three tick marks. That means this side, and this side are equal. Okay, so what I need you to do is make sure you remember these 5 definitions. And let's take a look at some problems today. They want us to, in numbers 1, 2, 3, and 4, classify these 4 triangles. Now, number 1, I know that this is a right triangle by angle. And by sides, I know it's an isosceles because it has these 2 marks. And here I know that isosceles has 2 sides that are equal in measure. Number 2, again, I have a right triangle by angle. And by sides, I have a scalene, which means none of the sides are equal. I have no tick marks here to show me that any of these sides are equal to each other. For number 3, I have these 2 tick marks, so I know by sides this is an isosceles. But by angle measure, I have 2 angles that are equal, and one is 50 degrees. We know that 50 degrees is less than 90, therefore it's an acute angle. Number 4, I have this large angle here. Okay, again, it is more than 90 degrees. If an angle is more than 90 degrees, it is an obtuse angle. And I have 2 tick marks here to tell me that this side is equal to this side. Therefore, this is isosceles. We're not going to worry about drawing till another time, until we all have protractors. So let's skip down to number 8. Number 8 wants to know what type of triangle must the hanger be. So again, because I have this large angle greater than 90 degrees, I know that this is obtuse. And because this here are the same, that's 2 that are the same, we know that this is isosceles. Okay, so what I want you to do is go into Google Classroom. I have all the vocabulary defined for you, the different measures, and after you are going to go into an Ed puzzle and complete the puzzle and get that finished. If you have any questions, please email me and I'll respond. I could call you or we could set up a Google Meet. Let me know. All right, thanks guys.